If you cannot properly connect your Bluetooth device to Realme GT 8 Pro, let me try to show you what you can do to solve this issue, or at least of course we're gonna try to do that. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings and let's open Bluetooth. Now in this case, what you can do is simply turn off your Bluetooth device, turn off Bluetooth as well, then turn Bluetooth back on and turn on your Bluetooth device again. And hopefully you should be able to connect properly with your or to your Realme GT 8 Pro. Now in case you have still some issues with trying to pair the device, if you actually have it here in this section of pair the devices, then what you can do is you can go into the details or settings of the device and then you can unpair the device completely. And then of course you can try to pair it again, but usually I can recommend you turning off and turning the device back on after that. And of course try to use the pairing button, if you have one of course, to put the Bluetooth device into the pairing mode so that you can actually find it on this list of available devices. Now in case it doesn't show up, you can also tap on this refresh button that appears after a couple of seconds, so you should be able to select your earbuds again or wireless headphones or anything else, and you should be able to pair them quickly and easily. Now in some cases this might still not work, so what you can also do instead is you can check if your Bluetooth device is not connected to any other device, like to other smartphones or maybe your computer or something similar. If they are, then of course this might be the problem, so you might want to unpair, or essentially you also might want to factory reset your Bluetooth device. So factory reset of the Bluetooth device is like almost the final step that you can do to make sure that you can actually connect it with your Realme GT 8 Pro. If everything fails so far, then you should try to find out how to factory reset or hard reset your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to do that with your Bluetooth device because of course every Bluetooth device has its own way of hard resetting. Therefore, you need to check the manual, for example, and try to find the information over there. And if you happen to perform the factory reset, then of course, then you should try again to pair your Bluetooth device with your phone. However, even after resetting, you still don't have the option to pair correctly your Bluetooth device. The last thing that you can do is you can go to System and Update. Then over here, go to Backup and Reset. Then go to Reset Phone. And over here, we have Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. You will have to verify yourself with a screen lock password or biometrics. And then over here, you want to confirm that you want to do that. But I have to say that before you actually reset these settings, you actually reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data settings. So you have to keep that in mind. You will have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, for example, because of course everything will be erased. So keep that in mind. So after resetting these settings, you can go back to Bluetooth and then try to pair your Bluetooth device again. And also, of course, don't forget about restarting the phone. So a simple reboot of the phone can also be quite helpful, so you can give it a try as well. And that is pretty much it. And even if you use the airplane mode by accident, as you can see, we can still use our Bluetooth device without any issues. So yeah. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you managed to fix the issue with your Bluetooth device. But if anything goes wrong, or if you happen to find another solution, then of course let me know in the comments so everyone can see that as well. Subscribe to my channel.